think she's just being a butt. There.
Just follow me and maybe she'll start following me too. Are you? Are you gonna do it? Is she following me or are you?
No, I'm not doing anything today.
Okay.
Oh crap. The rings came off. Do not want to leave this pony without rings.
Go to the left. Oh gosh, she's catching up. She's catching up.
I'm not doing anything with the reins, FYI. I would let go, but if you start to run and she runs after you, you probably wouldn't appreciate that very much.
I wouldn't at all, actually.
I'm not doing anything.
Sorry.
Don't wear me up against that. No, please.
Oh,
That's the first thing I did with the reins. Alright, try to run.
really?
Yep.
This is gonna be hard with the camera.
Alright, let's do it. I'm not doing anything at all, by the way.
Oh gosh, you have to stop her if she like tries to run me over.
Okay, wait till she catches up a little bit so she knows where you go. I don't know what she's doing. I'm not doing anything at all.
Mister! Come here, puppy.
Come get her. Get off her.
Damn, okay, stop her. Have her run me over. Please. Steer this way and have her trot over the pole. If she will. Woo! Okay, now I'm just gonna videotape you trotting. But do like a half circle in the middle and go over the pole. Trotting though. Woohoo! Do you think you can do this jump anytime soon or no?
Probably not. What if she gets stuck over it again?
Trotting though.